Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Blair, and today I thought, because I haven't done like my cleaning routine in a while, so I thought maybe I would film that for you. This is like a weekly clean that I do every week. Usually it's done on Thursdays, so that way my house is clean before I could have surprise company over the weekends. But it's just a very quick clean, but it's done every week, and then I do throw in deep cleaning things periodically. So we're gonna start in the bathrooms. I always do them first because obviously they're the dirtiest thing to clean and you want clean hands for everything else. And then I just quickly run through the house and vacuum and dust all the rooms, and that's pretty much all it is. Very simple. And then stay tuned to the end. I'm gonna actually talk to you about a few cleaning products I've recently purchased that I absolutely love. I am not sponsored. I just bought these on my own and they've been lifesavers and work so well. So I'm gonna get started in the bathrooms and I'll take you along. First things first, I always put the toilet bowl cleaner in both of the bathroom toilets so it can sit for as long as possible. I always use like a Clorox wipe to do the sinks and the toilets. I don't typically clean the showers or the tub. I do those kind of like once a month type thing, but the sinks and the toilets I do every week. So once I move into the second bathroom, I always do the toilet first and then I go wash my hands to do the rest of the cleaning. After the bathrooms, I kind of move to different rooms in the house, and then I always dust first and then vacuum. My bedroom happens to have a shag rug on the floor, so I kind of alternate. One week I'll use the cordless vac to do, like I do the wood floors, and then other weeks I'll use my bigger vacuum that you'll see later in the living room, because it just works better on the carpet, I find. And then, like I mentioned, I use a regular old school vacuum to do the rug in the living room every week, just because it helps get more dog hair up and any debris that happens to be on the carpet. Like I said, this is also the vacuum I'll use every other week in my bedroom. And then, of course, the universal symbol of a clean house is a candle being lit. So I always finish that off, and it makes the house smell so good. That was my speed clean once a week that I do in the house. I don't do the kitchen. I usually do this on Sundays after I'm done meal prepping, so it's all clean for the week. Unless I do cook in the middle of the week, I will clean up after. But yeah, very quick. If you're trying to get into a quick clean routine, that's perfect to do once a week. It only takes me like 20 minutes to do the whole house. I will say I don't do the spare room every week because I don't have guests as much right now, so there's no point in constantly being in there to clean when nobody's in there. So, but that's my speed clean. And then I wanted to talk about a couple products that I've been using. This one is the Easy Off fume-free cleaner. It's great for spot cleaning, but it's also great to clean the entire oven. And honestly, this was so easy. I sprayed it in there, let it sit for a few minutes, and then just wiped it up with a paper towel, and my stove came super clean. So this is definitely worth it if you're trying to figure out how to clean your oven quickly and easily. So definitely recommend this. And then this other one, I may have mentioned before, but Barkeeper's Friend. So I came across this on, I feel like it was Pinterest years ago, talking about how great it is to clean white dishes that get scratch marks on them. I just, never would have got around to buying it, but I finally bought some, and let me tell you, I'll try to insert some pictures if I still have them of like what my bowls look like before I cleaned them with this and what it looked like after, because my bowls and my plates all were so scratched they were almost gray, and I was ready to throw them out and replace them entirely because it was just, they look so bad. But this like revitalized it, made them very white and like brand new. So I'm gonna keep doing that. And I did mention it in a deep clean video that my bathroom with the tub, I actually use this in the bottom of it. It's like a porcelain tub. I've had rust stains in that tub since I moved into this house, and just scrubbing with some of this in a scrubber for a little bit, I actually got the rust stains out. Like my tub is whiter than it's been since I've lived here in 6 years. So it's definitely great. They talk about all the different products that you can use it on. There's tons of it. And honestly, this for me was only like $2 at Walmart. Well worth it. This is my second one I've bought now because I went through a lot of it doing all my dishes. I just kind of did them in a cycle and then washed them. But yeah, so those are a couple of my new favorite cleaning products. Highly recommend. If you have any questions about them, let me know below. And if you use them, let me know if it worked great for you. But this is how I do my weekly quick clean. Hope it was inspiration for you to clean or maybe start a routine with it. And as always, I hope everybody has a blessed day.